Howdy everybody, welcome back to my channel and thanks for coming back today. I am going to be doing a fridge clean out. It's probably a bit of a disaster. I went to start doing it and I thought actually this needs a complete overhaul, and I thought I would bring you on that journey. Probably need to disclaim something. I am not fanatic at keeping my kitchen or keeping the fridge clean. Probably need to be better at it. So here we go. Let's see what we find. And I'll show you what I probably have to throw out, which is going to be a waste of money and a waste of food, but I'll do my best. Here we go. Okay, so this is all the stuff I've taken out of the fridge, except I've still got my crisper and the door to do. But already, this is the stuff I need to get rid of. This stuff here, that's an old ham. And I got yogurt and stuff that just got pushed to the back and I never ate. So that's a real waste. Okay, so I've got these awesome clear containers, and I'm going to use them for like the small items so they stop getting lost and pushed to the back. So I'm going to use one for jars, because I've got a lot of these like little tiny preserve jars, and they're really yummy things, but they just get lost. And I want to use one for Tom's snacks and things that he's going to have at school. Okay, so I'm really pleased with what I've done, and it actually didn't take me very long. I think so far it's taken me 15 minutes, and what I've got in my bin is grapes. Well, they'll go in the compost, but I've got a jar of gross tomato strips, old ham, old meat sticks that were not my husband's wasted, and they're actually really expensive. Those Twiggy sticks are like $5 a bag, so I'm pretty annoyed with that. That's got wasted as well. It's completely unopened, but it's well past its use by. It is, oh my god, what's that, 3 weeks past its use by. It's really bad. Garlic bread from pizza we had, like kids antibiotics. I've just got a couple of jars here that I really want to save. So I've got these jars of the old fruit mints from the Christmas pies that I made. Some disgusting gross tomato thing, and then just old spaghetti, and then I'll get rid of that ham. Ooh, maybe a bit gross to look in there. It doesn't look that bad. It just looks like smoked ham. Wanna see? It doesn't look that bad. Ugh. Ugh. Just bits of meat falling out everywhere now. Gross. So that's all binned now, and now I'll show you how I've organised the fridge. So snacks for Tom up in this little plastic thing. So useful, because then I can just tell him where to go, just one place where to go for it without telling him to look all over the fridge. I want to do the same thing in the pantry. Yogurts for him on the top shelf, really, because I didn't have anywhere else that this one fit. So that was a bit of a bugger. Cream, normally put that in the fridge, but we've got some other drinks in there at the moment. Butter all kept together. Cooking butter, again, some of the smaller little items like the open things that I really want to use up, so I've got them at the front so I won't forget to use them. Some of the jars that had really been pushed to the back, and just some poppers and drinks, meat for the cats and Stevie, cheese in this area, eggs, and opened cooked food. So that's for us to eat up. And then I've got all my stuff still in the crisper. I didn't do the crisper today because I know I just did a clean out yesterday, and that's what motivated me to want to do this today. Sorry that cut off there, guys. I am so pleased with how this fridge turned out. It just looks so much more organised, and because I took everything out and I know exactly what went back in, I know what we have to eat first, and I know where everything is. So if that's not motivation enough to clean up your fridge, then yeah, maybe just even going through it and taking a stock take. I really needed to pick up all of the rubbish after as well, so I'm just going and doing that now. I'm going to soak that meat bag that we have. I use that at Christmas time. And yeah, and then empty out all those jars and that the containers that are ours, and chuck them in the dishwasher. So that's it. Happy days. So there you have it. Another job done. It's not my favorite job at all, but I'm glad I did it. It's not as bad as doing bathrooms for me. I don't really like doing bathrooms, but I'm really glad I did it. And all I did was clean it with hot water and a little bit of dish soap. And I really did some elbow grease on that really tough cardboard that had obviously got wet and then stuck to the bottom. And I'm not even going to tell you, fear of judgment, of how long that's been there. I think it's been there since before we moved. So that's really bad, but I'm so glad it's done. And I'm glad that the yucky stuff's all in the bin now. And I just have to do the jars in the dishwasher. So thanks for joining me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.